We're trying to figure out how many ounces of sugar are in the mixture. So I'm going to let S be ounces of sugar, and we'll let C equal ounces of cinnamon. All right, let's look at clue 1. The ratio of the number of ounces. Now, ratio to me means fraction. So the ratio of the number of ounces of sugar to cinnamon that's equal 2 to 5. Well, that doesn't help me find the ounces of sugar because I've got one equation with two variables. Okay? So, clue 1 does not work by itself. What is clue 2? The mixture weighs more than 20 ounces. Well, your mixture is made up of ounces of sugar plus ounces of cinnamon, and that's more than 20. Well, does that allow me to figure out how many ounces of sugar there are? No. So, now clue 2 does not work independently. The next thing you do is you put both of them together, and that's not going to work either because of this greater than. Now, if it was equal to, we could make it work, okay? But, S and C, S might be 1 and C could be 22, or S could be 10 and C could be 50 because those sums are greater than 20. So clue 1 did not work by itself. Clue 2 did not work by itself. The next option is to put both of them together, and that did not work. So what that means is nothing works. Your answer is E.